That $20,000 app you got quoted for, you might be able to build it cheaper because Google just released their AI coding tool, and to be honest, it is completely unfair on how actually good it is. Let me explain. So Google AI Studio has just completely broken the economics of app development. This isn't theoretical because this is actually happening right now. Let me give you 3 scenarios of why this is a complete game changer, especially in 2026. Let's say, for example, you're running a small business and you need an internal tool. Maybe it's a client portal, an inventory system, a booking app, something you know that would save you a lot of time and efficiency in your business and make you look professional. But instead of paying $50,000 developing it, you're only spending around about $5,000. Let's say, for example, another scenario here, you've been sitting on an app idea for a while. Maybe it's a SaaS app idea, a marketplace, a mobile app, but you can't risk $50,000 on building something that nobody wants. Now that you can build it and launch it for less than $5,000. If it fails, you only lose $5,000 instead of $50,000. If it works, you've just started a new successful business. And scenario number 3, let's say, for example, you're stuck with slow developers. 3 months in, you've already spent $50,000 and you still have nothing to show to potential customers. Now you can build exactly what you want inside the Google AI coding tool in a matter of weeks and actually show your app to potential customers so that it can stop the bleeding in your cash flow. But I know what you're thinking, I can't code, I'm a non-technical person. No worries, you don't need to because this is the actual process. Step number 1, you literally describe your app idea in plain English. Step number 2, the Google AI Studio will literally build it, it will literally write the code, create the database, create the user interfaces, and you literally never touch the code. And step number 3, you test it. You click around, you see what you like, what you don't like, and what you want changed, and provide the feedback to the Google AI Studio, and it will fix it instantly. So there are other AI coding tools out there on the market, but let me explain why they don't compare. So tools like Cursor and Copilot, they're built for developers because they cost between $20 to $40 a month, but you actually need to know how to code by utilizing and taking advantage of those tools. And no-code tools like Flutterflow, yeah, sure, they're easy, but they can be limited, and they also hit you with surprise charges. AI Studio from Google, on the other hand, it's free. It's purpose-built coding, no limitations, and it works for non-developers with minimal help, which is amazing. But let me be straightforward with the limitations because there are some with these AI app builders. Especially complex apps today, they still need real developers. If you're building the next Uber or Airbnb, you're still going to need traditional app development. But booking systems, mini client portals, inventory tools for internal tools, Google AI Studio can absolutely help you build these, but you need to be absolutely clear in what you want when you're building these tools. If you can't articulate it in the AI prompts, the AI won't be able to build it. But honestly, this forces you to think through your product anyway, which is actually a really good thing. That internal tool you've been putting it off, you can now build it with the Google AI Studio. So if you guys need any help in regards to actually bringing your app idea to life in the shortest amount of time possible, and you just don't have the time or the energy to do it yourself, I can help you out with that. What I would invite you to do is to click on the link below to book in a free call with me to discuss how I can personally help you bring your app idea to life in the shortest amount of time possible. The link is in the description below. Again, thank you for watching today's video. If this video has helped you out a lot, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. And I hope you guys enjoy using Google AI Studio.